In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF files on Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to turn multiple PDFs into a single, tidy document using the tools built right into Acrobat. This walkthrough is designed to be clear and straightforward, even if you're new to the app. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You'll land on the home display, which shows recent files and gives you quick access to your documents. Make sure you're using Adobe Acrobat rather than just the reader. The full Acrobat application includes the Combine Files feature. In some setups, this option may require a paid plan. If you're in Acrobat and up to date, you're good to go. From the home display, select the PDFs you want to merge. Click to choose the first file, then select the others you want to include. Pick only the documents you actually want combined, so your final file stays clean and intentional. Take a second to confirm you've chosen the right items. Look at the file names and, if needed, glance at the thumbnails so you recognize what you're bringing together. This simple check can save you from combining the wrong materials. Once you've selected your PDFs, a side menu will appear on the right. This panel is Acrobat's way of confirming your selection and presenting the next action. You'll typically see the files listed there, making it easy to verify you've got the correct set. If something looks off, it's perfectly fine to pause and adjust your selection from the home area before moving forward. Keeping an eye on this side menu helps you stay confident about what's about to be merged. Now, choose Combine Files from that side menu. Acrobat will get to work and process your selection, merging everything into one continuous PDF. You'll see the new combined document open in Acrobat when it's done. That's all there is to it. The result is a single file that's easier to share, print, or archive, with all your original PDFs brought together in one place. To recap, open Adobe Acrobat, select the PDFs you want from the home display, confirm what you see in the side menu, and select Combine Files. If you don't see the Combine option, check that you're running the full Acrobat app and that it's updated. With this quick process, you can keep your documents organized, reduce clutter, and present information in a cleaner, more professional way.